This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. Beautifully renovated. Be the first to enjoy the new kitchen, the new appliances, the new bathrooms, the new plumbing, the new air conditioner ducts. It's even getting a new sliding glass door. The fresh interior and exterior paint gives the whole house a fresh feel. Enjoy the huge backyard and the navigable canal. Central location is super convenient to shopping, schools, restaurants and easy drives to Kennedy Space Center, Port Canaveral, Melbourne, and Orlando. Pets considered, but no danger breeds please. Smoking not permitted. For more information, review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.